My name's Sarah Parker. I'm here today representing Expert Tools. It seems fantastic, really well organised, beautiful factory. I think the opportunity to go and see how the glass is made is a bit of a rare one. It's been a fun one for me. I think it's a really great idea to show off the premises. Plenty of food and drinks, it's been a great day.
I'm Alex Gallop from Al UK, and we're here to support Clayton with their open day and to really learn more about the power that specking the right glass can make for their products and their end users. The factory is incredible. I believe it's the first factory that Clayton have set up completely from scratch, and they've really put their stamp on it. Great facilities here, and I think it's going to be a good central location for people to come down from the west and from London. So great to be here. A lovely sunny day, some good pizzas on offer, and we've met some really interesting people. So yeah, having a good day.
My name is Rob Rigby. I'm from MRA Data. Usually I sit behind a computer looking at all the names of these companies, but I never know actually what they do. So I came down today to see just what happens here really. Factory's really impressive. The whole process, and obviously doing the tour, walking around the whole thing, seeing how it all gets put together. It's been a really great day. Good food, met lots of people here, taken away lots of literature. Yeah, it's a neat operation.
We are Guardian Industry. We are a partner and supplier of Clayton Glass. First of all, we would like to congratulate Clayton for opening of the new facility. Factory looks new, so the machines are really showing that can process any kind of glasses, whether on tempering, on IG units, sealing. For me, it's the first time being an inauguration of our partner to show to their customers what we are able to produce. So I think that this is a really value showing by Clayton.